All right, what we're going to do at the bottom of the hour, we'll open up the phone lines if people want to ask a question, comment for either Ambassador Wanta, Lon Gibby.
Perfect.
We'll make those phone lines available to you. Let me ask you. Let me play some name association here. Let me throw out some names and get your thoughts on them. The presumptive nominee of the Democratic Party, Hillary Clinton, gets in. What are your thoughts?
I don't think it's going to be election because she's been told there's 6 or 7 counts that are on the table. One is Title 18, Section 2071 or 2017. Lon knows the number. I don't. That if you mutilate, what she did, and
it's
she admitted
2771, Title 18.
Okay, 2071.
And it's on our Twitter account, Ego One to Wanta. You can just click and it'll come up.
And it's right there. That alone will take her off of the wishful list for being a candidate for the presidency.
Well, what does that document say, in essence? Lon or Lee?
If you like, I can call it and read it to you. It's not very long.
No, just give me the summary.
It basically says if you mutilate, destroy, or take any government property, which documents are government property, electronic documents, that you're liable for that, and you can't run for office. I mean, it's very clear. It basically says that you're a felon. Okay.
All right.
Here, I got it right here. 18 U.S. Code 2071, concealment, removal, or mutilation generally. I still stutter a little bit. A, whoever willfully and lawfully conceals, removes, mutilates, obliterates, or destroys, or attempts to do so, or with the intent to do so, takes and carries away any record, proceeding, map, book, paper, document, or other thing, file or deposit with any clerk or officer of any court of the United States, or in any public office, or with any judicial or public officer of the United States, shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 3 years or both. B, whoever having the custody of any record, proceeding, map, book, document, paper, or other thing, willfully and unlawfully conceals, removes, mutilates, obliterates, falsifies, or destroys the same, shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 3 years or both.
Okay. Let me stop you there. I mean, are we talking then about the email server?
Right. It also says here, and shall forfeit his office and be disqualified from holding any office under the United States.
Okay. And we're told there are something like 147 FBI agents who have been on this case.
Yep.
They have recommended an indictment, but that will lie with Loretta Lynch, the U.S. Attorney General.
It shouldn't be, because she has an oath of office to serve the people, not the administration.
Right, but we know how these things work, and this is going to be a political football, and she's not going to indict.
We have a U.S. Supreme Court, which is not the highest court of the land. Highest court of the land in the District of Columbia is the District Court of Columbia. That's the highest court of the land, not the Supreme Court. That's a political organ.
Interesting. All right. So you're saying that it's possible that there will be an indictment before Hillary, before the election?
It's more possible we're going to have an election at all.